Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students, computer users, tech beginners, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who feels your laptop or PC is getting slower day by day, this is especially for you. Let's be honest, we've all faced this problem. You buy a new system, it works super fast, but after a few months, it starts lagging. Apps take time to open, storage gets full, and sometimes, the system even hangs unexpectedly. And then comes the confusion: should I reset my PC? Is there a virus? Do I need a new laptop? Most of the time the issue is not your system, it's just poor maintenance. Don't worry, here's something helpful for you: guidance of PC maintenance software information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the technology section, scroll down and open the PC maintenance software under the PC needs category and select the post on that page. This topic explains how you can keep your PC fast, clean and secure using simple tools. PC maintenance software helps you remove unnecessary files, fix system issues, update drivers, and improve overall performance, all in one place. Now let's see how you can use this step by step. First, install a trusted PC maintenance tool like CCleaner, Advanced SystemCare, or WiseCare 365. These are beginner friendly and easy to use. Next, run a junk file cleanup. This will remove temporary files, cache, and unwanted data that slows down your system. Then check your startup programs. Many apps automatically start when you turn on your PC, which makes it slow. Disable unnecessary ones to improve boot speed. After that, scan for registry issues and fix them. This helps clean up broken or outdated system entries. Also, update your drivers regularly. Updated drivers make sure your hardware works smoothly and efficiently. Finally, run a malware or security scan. This protects your system from harmful files like spyware or adware. If you follow these steps regularly, your PC will feel much faster and smoother. Now let's quickly look at some key features of these tools. One great thing is they provide updated and real-time system cleaning, so your PC stays optimized without much effort. And another benefit is most tools have a simple interface, so even beginners can use them without confusion. Also, you can choose tools based on your needs. For example, simple tools for daily use or advanced tools for IT professionals managing multiple systems. But one important tip: always take a backup before making major changes, especially while fixing registry or system settings. It's always better to be safe. So yeah, maintaining your PC is not difficult. With the right tools and regular care, your system will run faster, last longer, and give you a smooth experience. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the technology section on the Youthbuddy website. Open the PC maintenance software under the PC needs category and select the post on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.